Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Meenah's Ramadan series. And on today's episode, we will be making baked moimoi using Tquart bean mix. So I have my bean mix here. I have Titus fish. I've boiled it, deboned, and shredded it. The Titus is from deep poultry. Then I have boiled eggs sliced. I have my seasoning cube. I have my palm oil. I have the stock from the boiled fish. I have onion flakes from depride. I have salt and I have water. Then I have my foil to do the baking. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some of the bean mix into my bowl. So I'll be using one cup of bean mix. So 1 cup of bean mix. And then I'll add in some onion flakes. I'll add some water. So you can add some raw eggs if you want. You can add raw eggs into it. I'll mix this till a very smooth paste is formed. I'll add more water. It's not going to be too thick and it's not going to be too watery because it is moimoi compared to when you want to use the bean mix to do akara. So moimoi is going to be more lighter. So I've mixed this and there is no lump in it, and it's not thick and it is not too watery. So now I'll add my palm oil. You can use vegetable oil if that's what you have or what you want to use. So I had my stock, the fish stock, then little salt to taste, I'll add some seasoning cube, very little quantity. You can skip this if you want. So then I'll shred some fish, just squeeze some fish into it. And mix. So my batter is ready. The next thing I want to do is I'll pour into my foil. This is one. Now pour the remaining into another foil. So I want to give room to it, so if it's going to swell, it's going to get space to. I want to leave room in the foil so that there will be space for it to swell. So I'll pour the remaining here. Okay, so I have everything here. I'll just put some fish. Add more fish. And then some onions. So I meant egg, not onions. So for onion lover, you can add more fresh onion, but I'll just put some dried onion from depride. I'll just sprinkle this over. And I'll bake this. I'm actually going to steam this. What I'm going to do is I'll put some water in my baking tray. So this is my baking tray, and I'm already preheating my oven. So I'll just place this on my tray and pour some water. And I'll put this in my oven and bake on low heat. So I'll bake this on low heat till it is cooked. Hi, welcome back. So this is the outcome of our baked moimoi, and I'll just flip this over, and can you see how it's removed? No issues at all. Then I'll just turn this. Yeah, can you see that? This is the outcome of our baked moimoi. And let's just cut into, let's see what the inside looks like. Can you see this? Yeah, so we're going to pair this with our tapioca. This is actually coffee infused tapioca. It's one of the class in our Tquart class, our Ramadan Tquart drive, and I used bean granule to make this. So I'll just put some of our baked moimoi on the side here. Can you see the inside? Very amazing. And yeah, Iftar Mubarak.